Welcome to the Consumer Tech Update podcast, where in just 1 minute, you'll hear facts, opinion, and the latest tech information underneath the surface about real topics you care about.
I'm sure you've heard about the apps that parents install on the kids' phones to see where they've been, look at their web history, and things like that. Now, spy apps are the latest weapon in relationship drama. Kim Komando with your Friday Consumer Tech Update. Get tech news and extended interviews with the free Komando podcast, available on Apple, Google, or wherever you do get your podcasts. If you feel a need, you can download secret key logging apps that let you see your partner's emails and texts, track them with a GPS. And if you pay enough, you can access their Instagram, Snapchat, and social media accounts. Now, don't get paranoid that a spying app is on your phone, but there are some clear signs to look for. Your battery could be draining faster than usual, and you might see an increase in your data usage. Look to see what downloaded apps have been installed on your phone. Check your account at the Apple App Store or Google Play. But just because you think your phone's acting weird doesn't mean that it is. It could just be your guilty conscience. I'm Kim Komando.